Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to allow TikTok have access to your camera. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. First option, go ahead and open up the TikTok app. Wait a bit. Now go ahead and tap on the plus sign. Now we'll go ahead and ask you to open up the settings, or there'll be a pop-up that says allow TikTok to take pictures and record video. So this is the feature. Go ahead and tap on while using the app, or only this time. So tap on it, and sometimes it will ask you to give access to your microphone. Well, go ahead and select a microphone right here, and then select while using the app. There you go. That's the first option. Now, what if that won't work? Well, go ahead and find the app icon. I'm sorry, this one. Tap and hold. Tap on the information icon, and then go ahead and find permissions. Now, for iOS, the steps may be different. Okay, just go ahead and find the apps permission section. Now, going back to Android right here, as you can see, there's an allowed section and not allowed. Say, for example, your camera is not allowed. Tap on it and just allow it. And after that, it will be listed right here under allowed. Once that's done, just close everything right here, rerun TikTok, and you should be good to go. And that is how you allow TikTok to access your camera. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.